So here we have the problem, the limit as x approaches 0 of sine of x over e to the x minus 1. When we have limit problems, the first thing we can try is a direct substitution, just plugging in 0 for all of our values of x in our expression. So that would be sine of 0 over e to the 0 minus 1. Simplifying, sine of 0 is equal to 0 because of, on the unit circle, when the angle is 0, that's the point here. That is 1, 0. The y-coordinate is 0, so the sine is 0. So that makes 0 on top. And then the bottom, e to the 0 is 1, because anything to the power of 0 is 1. So it makes 1 minus 1, or 0. So this satisfies L'Hopital's rule. So L'Hopital's rule says if we have limit as x approaches a of f of x over g of x, if that equals 0 over 0, or if the limit as x approaches a of f of x over g of x equals plus or minus infinity over plus or minus infinity, then the limit as x approaches a of f of x over g of x is equal to the limit as x approaches a of the derivative of f on the top and the derivative of g on the bottom. And that's where a has to be a number. So a is a number. Oops. A is a number, infinity or negative infinity. Okay, so a has to be a number, infinity or negative infinity. Our a is a number because it's 0. And what we're doing is we're taking the derivative of the top and the bottom separately. So we're not using like a quotient rule. We're just taking the derivative of the top and the bottom separately. So if we look at our function is, the top function is sine x. So since we have 0, 0, on 0 over 0, we can use L'Hopital's rule and take the derivative of the top and the bottom. So we'll bring down the limit as x approaches 0. If my writing tool will work. So the derivative of sine of x is just a formula, that's cos x, divided by the derivative of e to the x is e to the x, and the derivative of minus 1 goes to 0. So now, this is our derivative of the top over derivative of the bottom. So now what we can do is we can try our direct substitution a second time. If we plug in 0 for cos x, that makes cos 0 over e to the 0. And using our same unit circle from before, cos 0 is equal to 1 because that's the x-coordinate. The cos is equal to the x-coordinate. So that would be 1 over e to the 0 again is 1. So that's 1 over 1, which is equal to 1. So our answer would be A. Okay, well I hope this step-by-step solution was helpful for you. If it was, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to see when I post new videos. Also feel free to comment down below any question that you'd like to see a video of, and I'll do my best to get it up as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.